Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Ever wondered how to make your money work harder for you? Investing in the share market, often called the stock market, is a fantastic way to do just that. It allows you to own small parts of companies, growing your wealth as those businesses succeed. This guide will walk you through the simple steps, making it easy for anyone to begin their investment journey, building a brighter financial future. So, what exactly is the share market? Think of it as a huge marketplace where pieces of companies, called shares or stocks, are bought and sold. When you buy a share, you're buying a small piece of a company. If that company does well, your share's value might increase, offering you a return on your investment over time, which is quite exciting. Ready to take the plunge? Your very first practical step is to open a Demat account and a trading account. Think of a Demat account as a digital locker for your shares, while the trading account helps you buy and sell them. You'll typically open these with a trusted brokerage firm or your bank. Take your time to pick one that offers good service and security, ensuring your investments are safe. Now, how do you decide what to buy? Research is key. Look into a company's financial health, its industry, and its future prospects. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Consider diversifying your investments across various companies and sectors to minimize potential risks. Starting with well-known, stable companies can be a smart approach for new investors, building confidence gradually. Remember, investing in the share market is usually a marathon, not a sprint. Patience is truly your best friend. There will be ups and downs, but historically, markets tend to grow over time. Don't let short-term movements scare you away from your long-term goals. Keep learning, stay informed, and enjoy watching your financial future grow over the years.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.